Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to be installing a GateSaver in Chris's 91 Chevy S10. Let's get into it. To start your install, remove the factory tail light. There are 4 screws, 2 of them located on this side and 2 of them located on the inside. After removing the 4 Torx screws from the tail light, I can now go ahead and place my support bracket where it has to go, and I can start drilling some holes. When drilling the holes for the support bracket, take the upper tail light screw, measure 3.5 inches down, like so, and then you're going to go ahead and take your support bracket and butt it up against the inside of the tailgate opening, like so. And then you can go ahead and drill your 5/16 hole on the top. Now that we've drilled the 5/16 hole, we're going to take our support bracket and the ball stud and install the top. Go ahead and tighten this down. Go ahead and take your 13 mil wrench and your 12 mil wrench and tighten the ball stud up. Make sure you put a little bit of Loctite on that thread so it doesn't loosen off. And now that my support bracket and ball stud are mounted nice and tight, I can use this hole as a guide to drill the second hole for the bolt. Now that that's drilled, I can go ahead and take my bolt and my nut and tighten the bottom. Little dab of blue thread locker. Go ahead and tighten the bolt. Now you can go ahead and put your taillight back in. Some may ask why we didn't use this hole, because the taillight assembly would hit the back side of the bolts, as you can see here. So we had to get that bolts and nuts as far back as possible so it clears the taillight assembly. Like so. All I did down here was I take out the factory 13mm bolt on the lower part of the trunnion. I've replaced it with the 12mm ball stud. So now that the top stud is installed and the support bracket is fastened with the bolt and nut, the lower ball stud is installed in the tailgate trunnion, we can go ahead and give this a little bit of a pull to extend the shock, and we can snap it onto the ball stud. For you to be able to use the GateSaver, you are going to have to remove the factory metal straps from the tailgate, and we do offer these nylon coated cables for your 82 to 93 Chevy S10. They can be found on our website as well.